What's up, YouTube? This is Jamar Newton. I'm back with another little episode. I came to do a little work on a 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4x4. And what I'm doing is I'm going to show you an easy way to remove the door panel. It's not much, you don't have to do too much. So basically, all you need is these two tools. Screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead. Simple. Oh, I have my daughter here too, so she's in the way. But excuse her. Alright. So first of all, what I want you to look at, I already took it apart. Come here. I took the screw. It's one screw that's mainly really holding together, and then it got rivets in the inside of the door. Follow along the sides. Okay, so I took the screw loose, basically. Okay, the screw out, and as you let me get the flathead, goes around, and you pops it, and you pops it, and you pop it, and it's the inside of it. It's kind of towed raggedy, but what this is mainly like a weather film to stop the water and everything from getting inside of your window and your door. So basically, what I'm doing is just showing you an easy removal. And as you look, it has rivets. Some of them are broken, and look. So this is the inside of the door. That you see, this the door handles. As you open and close the door, pull on the handles. It has this piece right here, which is wiring, like a wiring harness for the window control. All you have to do is just squeeze and pull out, which I'm having trouble with, but it's mainly easy. I can't, and like it just jammed up, so you just squeeze and pull, as so. Okay, and then you detach, but also remember that you have these two, which is one for the inside when you open, like for your door latches to pull and open, and the other one is for the outside as you pull that, and that's like a tension bar. Basically, is as you pull and it opens. So what I'm gonna do is basically I'm coming here to just change out the speakers, which is, you see the speakers is here. It has four screws. It has two screws, and I'm changing that out, because they say they don't have good quality music. So I have another video later. I have another video later to show you the work that I've done. But as you have a 2001 Jeep Cherokee, that's so easy to fix. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to go to a shop and do this and do that and pay all that money. So you can do it yourself. It's simple, but just be careful of how you do it. That's the main thing, being careful. And you don't want to break nothing, which I see that this part of the door, like the handles for the door, is broken, which I'm gonna have to repair that too. So that's more money for me. End of my video.